Hey everyone, good evening. Welcome to our channel V2V Vision to Victory. For more updates, you can follow our channel in Telegram, Facebook, Instagram. If you want links which are available in the description, just go through the description. You can find our link. So today we'll discuss about test number 3. See, each test consisting of 10 different questions in quantitative aptitude. So we already done two different videos in aptitude. If you miss those videos, you just go and watch those videos which are available in the channel playlist. And today we'll focus on again 10 questions in quantitative aptitude and focus on that concept and calculation. If you guys are improve those two qualities, like if you understand the concept, if you know how to calculate those calculation part, if you improve those two qualities, you can solve any questions in quantitative aptitude. We'll start with the question number 1. See, your question number 1 related for data sufficiency. Yes, for the topic of data sufficiency, if you observe that, so don't concentrate on answer. You just concentrated, can we get that resultant or not based on the given information. So that is the major part you have to observe. Yeah. So let's see the question. So what is the question? Here there is a bag containing, so contains 7 red, 5 blue, X yellow. So we have 7 red balls. Here we have a 7 red, 5 blue, and Y number and X number of yellow. And here the question, how many total blue and yellow balls are together? See, can we get the resultant based on the given information? For example, if one alone is sufficient or not, just verify in this way. We are taking one ball. If you pick that ball, that is the probability which is related for blue. For example, so we have a Y blue balls. We have to pick one out of total. Out of total means 7 plus X plus Y C1. The total probability is equal to 1 by 4. Means see, here 4 y is exactly equal to 7 plus X plus Y. So if I pick one alone, you never get the exact resultant. So one is not at all sufficient. I'm taking 2 alone. See 2 alone. See again, if you pick a one ball, the probability of yellow be the 2 by 5. See, if you are taking a yellow XC1, the total probability is 7 plus X plus Y C1. So the whole probability is 2 by 5. Again, you understand that 5 times the X value is exactly equal to 2 times the 7 plus X plus Y. That is the value. Now see, you just replace the value here. So 5x, see, if you replace that value, so 5x is exactly equal to 2 times the 4y. Now we can understand that 5x exactly equal to 8y. So here x plus y value is equal to 13. See, if I'm taking statement 1 and alone, then we can solve that question. Means how many number of total blue and yellow balls are there. So we can conclude that answer by taking two statements together. That's why 1 is not alone is sufficient, 2 is not alone is sufficient. By taking 1 and 2, we can get that answer. So answer statement 1 and 2 both are sufficient for our question. One more question related to the data sufficiency. Now see that question. Now here the question, see which data is sufficient, either 1 or 2 or 1 alone or 2 alone. Just read the question. So we have 4 consecutive even numbers. You already know that even number means number to number, it is a difference of 2. Now here the question, what is the value of smallest number among these? See, we have a 4 consecutive even numbers, x, x plus 2, x plus 4 and x plus 6. These are the 4 consecutive even numbers. Now I am taking one alone. Can we get that smallest number among 4? See that. The average. You already know that average is equal to sum divided by number. See, the average of 4 consecutive even number is the first prime number greater than 8. See, the first prime number greater than 8 is 11. Now, here the average of all these numbers means 4x plus 12 divided by 4 value exactly equal to 11. Yeah. Now you can cancel the number 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 threes are means x plus 3 value is equal to 11. You can get x is equal to 8. Now see, If I'm taking one alone, guys, if I'm taking one alone, is it sufficient for our question? Why? Because we have to identify the smallest number. So here the smallest number is 8. But verify whether 2 is alone is sufficient or not. See, statement 2 says the difference between largest and smallest number is less than 10. So the difference between largest and smallest number is less than 10. See, for example, if I'm taking 2, 4, 6, 8. So the difference between 2 and 8 is 10. So maybe one possibility. If I starts with a 4, 6, 8, 10. Here the difference is always less than 10. So if I go with a 6, 8, 10, 12. Here the difference between 12 and 6 is again 6. See, if you go through that, we can get the multiple possibilities. That's why 2 alone is not at all sufficient. So your answer is statement alone. 1 is alone sufficient. Now see the data interpretation. Now see the data interpretation question. Now see the just look into the data. Here there is a two pie charts. So one pie chart shows the total number of students, and another chart shows the total number of girls. And they're given as a percentage of distribution. You already know that the total percentage of distribution is equal to the 100%. Yeah. Here computers is 20%, IT 15, civil 10, mechanical 40, and electrical is 50. In the same way, the total number of girls are 3,000. Out of 7,500, total number of girls are 3,000. Again, distribution computer 40, IT 30, civil 5, mechanical 10, and electrical 15,000. Now look into the information. Find the, here the question, find the ratio of male students in computer and IT department together to the male students civil and electrical department together. Now see, first information. Here 20 percentage of 7,500 is exactly equal to 1,500 members. Why? Because see, whatever the total value is always equal to 100 percentage. 100 percentage is 7,500, 10 percentage value is 750, and 20 percentage is 1,500. So we want computer and IT. IT 15 percentage, 10 percentage is 750, and 5 percentage means off of these values. So off of these value is 375. 5, 2, carry forward, it's 1125 members. The same way, computer girls is exactly equal to 40 percentage of 30. See, 4 3s are 12 means it's a 1200 members. And IT is 30 percentage. See, 10 percentage is exactly equal to 300, 30 percentage is exactly equal to 900. Now we'll pick a male number of persons. Male persons of computer. Male persons of computer exactly equal to 300. So IT value is exactly equal to 225 members. If we add these two numerical, the value becomes 525. Now you have to pick the civil and electrical. Civil and electrical. See, 10 percentage value become exactly equal to 750. So we want male only. Yeah, 5 percentage value. See, 10 percentage 300, 5 percentage value become 150. Now see, civil number of boys are exactly equal to 600. And the electrical department here 15 percentage, 15 percentage value become 1125. Yeah. And here also 15 percentage, 10 percentage 350, 15 percentage is 400, sorry, 300, and 10 percentage is 300, and 5 percentage is 150. Total value become 450. Find the difference here. Here 450 plus 50 is equal to 500. We have 625. So total value is 675. We just find the ratio here. 525 is to 1 to 7. So just cancel in 5 table. 5 105. 5 twos are 5 fives are 5 fives are. Again 521 times 5 51 times. So the respective ratio is 21 is to 51. Again see both are cancel in 3 table. So 3 sevens are, so 3 ones are 3 sevens are. The respective ratio is 7 is to 70. Just learn how to take the data from the given pie charts. Next. Next information. Boys studying in civil. See, boys studying in civil is how much percentage more or less girls studying in same department. So civil 10 percentage value is 750. Civil 5 percentage value become 150. 750 is always more. So you can cancel the less. So how many units are more? 600 units are more. See, the last term in the question is always be the denominator value. So denominator value is 150 into 100. See here, the boys in studying in the civil department. Sorry, 750 is overall value. Number of boys are. So here boys are 600, girls are 150. Here the information related for boys to girls, it's 450. Yeah. So it is exactly for 3. 3 into 100 is equal to 3. Value of 300%. Now see the next question. Find the average boys studying in computer, electrical, civil department. See here average. See the formula of average, sum divided by number. Yeah, we already calculated number of boys in computer. See, number of boys in computer is 300 members. Electrical. So we are done with the calculation. Electrical is exactly equal to electrical department is 675. 675. Civil department. So we already done entire calculation in question number 1. Now you can take the data from that. So here the average. So 1575 divided by 3 branches. Yeah. 3 5s are 3 2s are 3 5s are. So answer 525 is 0. 525. Number 6. See how I am taking the data and how I am doing the calculation. Focus on those two parameters. Now question number 6. Find the difference boys studying in mechanical department and a civil department. Already know that number of students who are in mechanical department. So department of mechanical. See here 40%. See. So here 40% value. See 40% means see 50 percentage minus 10 percentage, or you can multiply with a 10 percentage into 4. You wish you can take any calculation. So 10 percentage is 750 into 4 times. 7 4s are 28. 3000 members is the total strength. And the mechanical here number of girls are 300. So 2700 members. So 2700 members is mechanical department boys. And civil. The civil boys are only 600. Here the question find the difference. So the difference between two values are 2100. You can see. So here the boys studying in computer and IT department together is what percentage? The total number of students in these departments. See, computer boys. Computer boys exactly equal to 300. IT 225 members. 225 members. The total students of these two departments. So the total value become 300 plus 225 equal to 525 members divided by total strength here. So see the total strength of computers exactly equal to 1500 here. And the another department is IT 15 percentage value you already calculated in question number 1. The value become 1125. 11, 25. So if you add those two numbers, the value become 2625 into, that is your question. See the 25 table. So here 25 ones are 25, 25 twos are 25 ones are. Okay. 25 ones are 25 zeros and 25 fives are. It's a 105. 25 ones are 25, again 0, 125, 25 fives are 120. Another one, see, it is exactly for 21 times. Can 21 become exactly 21 ones are 21, 21 fives are. 5 ones are 5, 5 20s are. Overall value become 20. These are the 5 questions related for pie chart data entry. Just see how I'm taking the data and how I'm doing the calculation part is most. The next question. Now see, speed of Abhishek is 3/4 of the speed of Rolly. Abhishek takes 60 minutes more than the Rolly to cover distance of 48 kilometers. Speed of Rahul is 250% more than the speed of Abhishek. And find what time Rahul will be cover the distance of 840 kilometers. See here the theory says the speed can completely calculated. Speed is depends on distance divided by time. So identify those two parameters, you can get the data. Now see, here there is a two persons. One is Abhishek and another person is Roli. The respective speed ratio is 3 is to 4. And you already know the relation between speed and times. If speed is 3 is to 4 and time is always inversely proportional. Time is inversely proportional means it is a 4 is to 3. Here clearly mentioned that Abhishek takes 60 minutes more than Roli to cover distance of 48 kilometers. See, so here the difference, see, Abhishek takes 4 units and Roli takes 3 units. Here the difference means 1 unit extra. See, 1 unit is equal to 60 minutes. Now Abhishek takes 240 minutes of journey and Roli takes 180 minutes of journey. Here the question, see. And here Abhishek covered 48 kilometers. See, so the speed of Abhishek. So speed of Abhishek exactly depends on distance covered by Abhishek with a respect to time. Here the distance is 48 kilometers and the time taken by Abhishek exactly equal to 240 minutes. Yeah. So 240 minutes means here the value becomes 40 minutes exactly equal to 2 hours. So it is exactly equal to 24 kilometer per hour. Here there is a one comparison. So the comparison says the speed of Rahul is 250% more than the 250% more than the speed of a object. See, 250% means if 100% is 24, 200% is 24, means 48. Again, if it is 50% more means the value becomes 12. So 24 plus 24, 48, and the total value is 60 kilometer per hour. See, otherwise, see, if you feel difficult in this way to divide it as 100%, 100% or 50%, you can do one thing. 250% means 250 by 100. 250 by 100 value becomes C 5 by 2. See, 5 by 2 into 24. Yeah, is exactly 2. 5 into 2 is equal to 2 12 are 12 into 5 is equal to 60 kilometers extra. So the overall value become 60 plus 24. Or you can divide it. 100% is 24, another 100 is 24, another is 12. The total value becomes 60 kilometer per hour is more. So if 24 plus 60, now the total value become 84 kilometer per hour. Here the question. See, Rahul takes how much of time to cover 840 kilometers? 840 divided by 84 is exactly equal to 10 hours. That is the information. Sorry guys, just made a one mistake here. 40 minutes is equal to 40 minutes exactly equal to 4 hours. Here and 4 become 12. 12 kilometer per hour. 5 by 2 extra means 5 by 2 into 12 is exactly equal to 6. Finally see 30. If finally the value becomes 42 kilometer per hour. Here the question 840 kilometers running at a speed of 42 kilometer per hour. It takes here the last question in today's video. Here Bhavya can swim 24 kilometers upstream, 36 kilometers downstream in 9 hours. So 24 kilometers upstream again is the stream plus 36 kilometers downstream along the stream. It takes 9 hours. The difference between upstream and downstream is of Bhavya is 8 kilometer per hour. You already know that downstream speed is always greater than the upstream speed. Yeah? And downstream is u plus v minus u minus v. The total value is equal to 8. So you can cancel u and u. So 2v is equal to 8. Then v value becomes 4 kilometer per hour. So you can get v value is 4 kilometer per hour. And my suggestion, go with the option verification. See, 24 divided by u minus 4, 36 divided by u plus 4 is equal to 9 hours. My suggestion, don't go with the quadratic form. Just take the value from the option. If I'm take it as a 6, for example, option number A, 6 is right or wrong. See, 24 divided by 6 minus 4 is equal to 2. So it exceeds the number. And 9, 9 minus 4, see, 9 minus 4 value become a 5. Again, it is in terms of decimal. And 10 minus 4 and 10 plus 4 is 14. In 14 table, we never get 36. It is also wrong option. So 24 divided by 4 plus 36 divided by 12. So it is exactly equal to 9. So it satisfies the condition. So the speed of boat exactly equal to 8 km per hour. Observe that boat travel along the stream or against the stream. Travel along the stream means u plus v. Against the stream means u minus v. You just try this question, guys. So this is for you. Just try this question and post your answer in the comment section. Here the question, see, you have to compare the quantities. You just tell me that which quantity is higher one or lower one. See, we have a following options. One is greater than two, two is greater than one, greater than or equal to, greater than or equal to, equal or there is a no such kind of relation is established. Yeah. Here the quantity one directly given for 4. Quantity 2 you have to identify from the concept of partnership. In partnerships, we are focused on profit. So the profit is completely depends on the person's investment and time period. So these two parameters are most important. Try to identify those information in your question. Just try it yourself and post your answer in the comment section. So if you want the PDF, guys, you can follow me in the Telegram V2VVK at the rate. You can find our Telegram link and you can download this video. Until the next session, take care. Have a nice day, guys.